My name is Juan, and I've been here with Nava for about two, a little over 2 years. I started off with doing all my blood work, visiting the doctor, and then getting on testosterone, and that completely changed my whole life. I went from 42 to about 22 with everything. Energy-wise, my libido, amazing. Um, and then I also changed my diet, which that also did a big impact with the inflammation. I actually even felt it now if I do uh, eat milk or some sort of cheese, I completely feel it in my gut. Um, but overall, the best part of it, I lost a lot of weight. I want to say about going up to 40 pounds probably. Um, and the energy that I have, amazing. I don't sleep during the day. I have a lot of motivation to get up and do things, even on my days off from work.